So I'm about to start my staging brake, working on the staging brake, and I'm gonna start by saying I don't recommend doing what I'm doing. Okay, don't be an idiot like me. So with that being said, here's what I'm doing with my staging brake. You got your booster here, master cylinder. You got all your brake lines here, front and rear. So if you see, I noticed that I disconnected the rear, right? And they go down here and down there. I don't know if the GoPro will be able to pick it up, but I put plugs in them. And I put plugs in them because I'm going to be separating the brakes. So what I mean is the pedal is going to be running just the front brakes. It's going to be hooked up to the front brakes, the pedal, and then that is going to be hooked up. The staging brake is only going to be hooked up to the rear. My e-brake or hand brake right there should still, be able to work. So I can use that to park the car, or when I do a burnout, pull the e-brake and hold the car, and then that one's just strictly for launching. But like I said, I don't know, some people might think it's sketch or whatever, but I'm just doing it. It's my fucking car. But like I said, that pedal, front brakes, staging brake, rear. So basically separating them. So this is how I'm gonna do this. This is how I'm gonna do this. It's all set up. So I got drums, and this is the rear. I already loosened this guy right here, the brake lines. So I'm gonna be pulling Johnny out, and this is the same lines that are disconnected up front. Like I said, the rear brakes have been disconnected. So pull that off, and then I have these fittings. It's a M10 by 1 to a -3. And if you see, based off of the brake line as well, both ends are flared, so that way it seals pretty good. So I'm gonna tighten that Johnny in there until the bottom's out. Okay, that's tight enough. Tight enough. So this is one side. These are -3 lines right here. And these God damn, I can't see shit. Try to do all this one-handed. My big ass head is in the way. That isn't going in. Can't tell. There we go. Perfect angle right there. So, this is the plan right here, right? I got my -3 line straight. It goes. So I'll do the same thing on the other side, and then they'll meet right in the middle. They'll meet somewhere. I have a T. So let's see. Here, lay down on the ground. All right, looks like. So, alright, so this I got right there, right? And then bring this up somewhere here. I don't freaking know yet. Bring it up somewhere here. And then do the same thing on that side. T right here. I have a T already. Or somewhere here. Well, that's the fucking tank. So gotta work around that. So work around that, tee that in here, tee the other side over here, and then go from the staging brake to that tee, and then that's it basically. So I just gotta figure out how to run his lines, and then once I figure that out, we'll be back. Here's the update. Got the brake line ran, goes down that way. Goes down through there, and then inside the fucking car. And then the same thing with this one. You should be able to see it just right there. And I put like fuel hose on spots that I didn't want it to rub. I don't know if you can see it way over there, but same thing. I put fuel hose on spots that I didn't want it to rub. Right there, right there. Right. Here. So driver's side, passenger side, and then a T right here, and then work our way to the staging brake, and everything's tight and done. So the staging brake is done. It's just about ready to bleed. So I'm done with the brakes. Moving on to the next thing. Should be interior, but I'm still gonna ignore that because I don't want to do it.